bro, very hot this afternoon. Yes?
True bro. Where the ship is far more his position at the end. I'm hungry. All the food and beverage forget me down.
You're a forgetful person. Your hair is like the bulk horse, but your brain, tacky. I had been warned, do not forget the food.
Sorry bro, understand, people are forgetting, but it is important we can relax on the beach bro. Ha 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 ha.
Yes. Yes, also has more than 3 months, will just sail on the sea merely. Have not seen land, I became drunk. Ha 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 ha.
We enjoy a relaxing time. First wrote this. I want to grab coconuts. Thirsty and lay prefers taste at all.
Pick one for me, bro. I was also hungry and thirsty.
Okay.
You're my boys are good.
Ready. Implement captain.